Hello everyone, I'm Vikramaditya and welcome to Jade SOFTECH. We're going to start a completely new batch in S4 HANA Finance. We're going to also start a batch in S4 HANA Material Management Logistics and Sales and Distribution Logistics, and of course the ABAP core part and Signavio. So if you wish to enroll in any of the SAP niche technologies, you want to learn one-to-one sessions or in a batch online classroom, you can contact us. So let's get started about what exactly is SAP FICO. SAP FICO is an evergreen module which handles the finance and controlling part of an organization. Now, in the recent times, it has been renamed as SAP S4 HANA Finance, in which we have a lot of different versions, primarily on S4 HANA Cloud and S4 HANA on-premise. We're going to learn about all these things in the sessions, but let me just give you an overview of what exactly is FICO. Finance and controlling is a combination of two different modules. One happens to be the finance accounting, financial accounting module, and then the controlling part. Now, the financial accounting module actually deals with external accounts. For example, if you're getting revenue from outside the organization, or you are paying to vendors, you're getting the payment from the customers, or you are paying to the vendors, this happens to be an external transaction for which SAP actually provides those and maintains them in the financial accounting module. And controlling is more of internal accountings, where we actually decide the pricing of a product or a service, and then we make sure that we have an internal processing of how we are spending it, the profit control, and all these things comes under the controlling part. Now, these two modules are always been combined and been discussed, and in the S4 HANA Finance, we have a very interesting concept of combining a lot of different modules into one, and we're going to discuss that. So primarily what exactly we are going to do as an SAP FICO consultant is we are going to do the customization and configuration. Let's understand this from a very simple example. Like, let's say you have purchased a new mobile phone. There are two things that we have to mandatorily do. One is the mandatory thing that is called the configuration, like adding your SIM card into the smartphone, and then configuring your IDs, able to log in and then start using it. This is all configuration which is mandatory. Then comes the customization, wherein